Ever wonder why the rich keep getting richer while everyone else struggles? It's not just luck, it's because they play by a different set of financial rules. The wealthy understand money in ways most people don't, and if you don't change your mindset, you'll always be stuck in the same financial cycle. Why the rich keep winning? One of the biggest reasons the rich keep getting richer? They own assets, while everyone else just earns income. The average person works for money, while the wealthy make money work for them through investments, businesses, and real estate. Instead of spending all their income, they put it into income-producing assets that grow over time. Another reason, they use leverage to build wealth. While most people avoid debt, the wealthy use low-interest loans to invest in assets that appreciate, like rental properties, stocks, or businesses. This allows them to multiply their money faster instead of just relying on what they can save. Then there's the tax game. The rich don't just make money, they know how to keep more of it. They take advantage of tax loopholes, deductions, and investment strategies that legally reduce what they owe. Meanwhile, the middle class pays the highest percentage in taxes because they only earn W to income, which is taxed the most. How you can start playing the same game? The first step. Stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an investor. Instead of just working for a paycheck, start putting money into stocks, real estate, or a side business, something that can grow over time. Next, learn how to use debt wisely. Not all debt is bad if you use it to buy assets that generate cash flow. You can build wealth much faster than if you only rely on your savings. And finally, educate yourself on tax strategies. The rich pay less in taxes because they understand how the system works. Learning about tax deductions, business write-offs, and investment incentives can save you thousands. The bottom line, the rich get richer because they understand money differently. They invest, use leverage, and minimize taxes while everyone else works, spends, and saves. If you want to build wealth, you have to stop following middle-class money habits and start playing the same game the rich do.